Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a vanilla gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser. Now I'm going to head to Google. Now in the search bar, I'm going to type in vanilla gift card. And I'm going to click on to vanilla gift. This one here, vanillagift.com. Now, in order to redeem a vanilla gift card on their website, the first thing you need to do is to sign in or create an account. So click onto that. I'm going to create an account. I'm going to put in all my details here, and then once I've done that, I'll get back to you. Alright, I filled in all my details, going to create an account. As you can see, I am signed in because it says sign out. And then from here, scroll down, and then you want to click on check balance. And then do the verification check if it pops up. Now, in order to redeem your gift card, just put in your card number here and your expiration date, month, year, and CVV, which is found on the back of the card, and then click continue. Then once you press continue, just go through the prompts to continue to redeem your gift card.